everyone. We're thick in the middle of December, and I hope you've been enjoying the Christmas and holiday season. I certainly have. I have this beautiful big bag of Christmas decorations that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to be decorating my real life Christmas tree. Today is the day, and I'm taking you along. So here is just the base tree. This is a real live Christmas tree which we keep in our garden downstairs, and we've put some twinkly lights on it, but lots of decorations are going to go up soon. So let's start. We have these big balls which have beautiful checkered Christmas trees with some red sequins on them. So these are going to go on the bottom parts because they're heavy. I bought all of these Christmas decorations from Quaste Solutions on Amazon, and they're really pretty, very affordably priced and really good quality. So if you are interested in buying them, I've left the link in my Insta page bio, and it's on my Amazon shop, my Christmas tree decoration list. Definitely check it out. There's also these beautiful glittery golden balls and lots of other fun big boxes of decorations. These are my favorite. I just love them. Look at these little golden pine cones. Will you help me? And my son also bought this adorable stuffed dolphin to put on the Christmas tree, but it's too heavy, so it's going to sit right here. And this is also part of my Christmas tree decor list, so definitely check it out. Thanks everyone, and Merry Christmas.